Hey, it was good. It's your girl Nana once again, singing Here's Where I Stand for you, Kara, since you requested it, acapella style. I hope you enjoy it. You better. Here in the dark, I stand before you, knowing this is my chance to show you my heart. This is the start, this is the start. I have so much to say, and I'm hoping that your arms are open. Don't turn away, don't you need me? But you have to hear me. Here's where I stand, here's who I am. Love me, but don't tell me who I have to be. Here's who I am, I'm what you see. You said I had to change, and I was trying, but my heart was crying. I'm not a child any longer. I am stronger. Here's where I stand. Here's who I am. Help me to move on, but please don't tell me how. I'm on my way. I'm moving now. In this life we come so far, but we're only who we are. With courage of love, will show us the way. Unlock the